As an open-source database software company, Couchbase swims in a rich ecosystem of complementary technologies. Let's take a quick look at what you can expect to find when you jump in. We've got a lot of company. We'll focus in this quick overview of our most active partnerships around 6 categories: cloud, SQL tools, security, storage, big data, and enterprise tools. Out in the cloud, we actively partner with this unsurprising group: Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, and the Google Cloud Platform. You can click to deploy Couchbase on all 3. If you need the additional layer of support around your operations that managed containerization provides, you can get there quickly with our active platform as a service partners in the cloud, Joyent, as well as OpenShift and Mesosphere. If you're working directly with containerization in your own environment, our active partnerships with Docker and Red Hat will help you with the support you need. As we've introduced in this course, Couchbase thrives with people who love SQL. Our own query language, Nickel, is SQL for JSON. Beyond this, we actively partner with companies like Informatica, Tableau, CData, SlamData, Talend, Noe, and Simba to place ODBC, JDBC drivers, and other powerful integrations to your traditional relational systems in your hands. Beyond the roles-based access control and encryption we provide directly on the wire in Couchbase, we actively partner with Protegrity, Centrify, and Vormetric to deliver seamless encryption of your data at rest. Of course, not everything happens in the cloud. Even with Couchbase's memory-first architecture, storage speed is a critical factor. We actively partner with Intel and Samsung to stay in sync with the device and server architectures you need to keep fast-moving data right there in your customers' hands. Engagement databases like Couchbase are the front line for gathering the oceans that you'll batch up for later analysis in other systems like Spark and Hadoop. So we actively partner with the teams and companies around Spark, Hadoop, and Kafka, and work actively with companies like Elastic, Cloudera, and Hortonworks to ensure you have the connectors and tooling to stream your engagement data into other systems when you need the services they provide. Beyond just big data in the enterprise, we actively partner with the companies you rely on to keep your infrastructure delivering to your customers. Companies like AppDynamics, New Relic, Nagios, Chef, Puppet, Splunk. For your developers, we provide integration frameworks around Spring, Node.js, Microsoft .NET Link, and more. Of course, there's no way to dive into the specifics of all these services and integrations here. What we want you to take away is the assurance that Couchbase is actively involved with the rich ecosystem of partnerships and relationships you need for us to deliver the engagement database your data flows demand. Check out our partners site for more information, or jump directly to our Find a Partner site to learn more about the specific service or integration you need to work with Couchbase. It all comes down to people, though, and the software we create. Couchbase embraces and is embraced by the open source community. To learn more about our many open source projects and partnerships, check out our project pages. Jump out to GitHub. So what have we learned? Couchbase is widely supported and easily integrated. We maintain active partnerships for cloud infrastructure, cloud platforms, containerization, SQL tooling and integration, security, storage, analytical database integration, enterprise infrastructure tooling, developer tooling, and open source projects of all forms. So we've reached the end of this introductory overview, but there's a lot more for you ahead. To keep diving into Couchbase, check out our free online training on Couchbase Mobile, or maybe jump into learning about how to model your data in JSON and manipulate it with Nickel. We also provide classroom training, conferences, documentation, of course, focused topic blog articles, and much more. Couchbase. We've got you covered.